The Eufy Smart Lock C210 offers the convenience of keyless entry with a built-in Wi-Fi function, allowing you to control it from anywhere without needing an additional bridge. This smart lock provides 5 different unlocking methods, including using the Eufy security app, a keypad, a physical key, an Apple Watch, or voice commands with Alexa or Google Assistant. It seamlessly integrates into a smart home system, especially if you have a Eufy doorbell, enabling synchronized device control and routines through the Eufy security app. Installation is straightforward, taking only 15 minutes with no drilling required, and it is compatible with most standard United States deadbolts. The Smart Lock C210 is built with security and durability in mind, having been BHMA certified and tested for over 100,000 uses to ensure reliability. Eufy offers excellent customer service with an 18-month after-sales service period and 24/7 customer support to assist with any issues.